Okay, this is a new property in Fort Walton Beach, and this is going to be the first listing, foreclosure listing I've ever dealt with that has solar panels, at least newer ones. So this is going to be kind of interesting how this works out. So you've got a brick front, and you can see where they converted a garage at one point. Cute little home. Like I said, nice little neighborhood. It's quiet. So you've got T111 here on the side, which is nothing but wood siding, which rots. There's all your solar panel stuff. Here's, you got a backyard that's totally fenced with privacy fence. More T111. So I'm going to guess the T111 is going to be on the sides and the back. All right, let's walk through the interior real quick. Like I said, I know nothing of this property. This is the first time I've been to it. I didn't even get a chance to research anything. So I don't know the bedroom count, bath count, or the square footage right now. You've got a little living room area here when you first walk in. I can go ahead and tell you that these floors are all going to have to be replaced. This is laminate flooring. This is not waterproof. There's issues with it I can see already. Okay, so here's bedroom number one, which is kind of isolated on the right side of the house. It's going to need all new interior paint, flooring. Let's go ahead and check out the bedrooms before I walk the rest of the house. Well, that's one positive. The HVAC says it was installed in March 2020, so it's pretty new, 3.5 years old. Bedroom one right here, bedroom two. Same thing, really, just flooring and paint. Not a very big room. It's bedroom three. It has a newer window. I did see some original windows, so I'm going to have to get a count and figure out how many windows need replaced. Same thing. So far the bedrooms are nothing more than just flooring and paint. Now this one definitely has two windows that are original that are going to need to be replaced. And the master bath has been updated. You know, it's kind of cute. So not really a lot of work has to be done in here. A nice new shower head, maybe some updated paint and colors. And replace this bathroom window, that's original. And one of my pet peeves are original windows in houses. If you're an investor and you're going to flip a house, budget the damn windows. You make it so much more difficult when you're asking top dollar for a property and you have the original single pane crappy aluminum windows in it. I see that all the time. All right, unfortunately there's no power in here, so I can't really get a good picture of this bathroom. I can see that it's going to need a ceiling. Oh boy. You can't even tell when this is too dark. Okay, so that's the bedrooms, that part of the house. Let's walk around. Oh, you got a really huge utility room. You can't see it unfortunately in the video, but it does have a newer hot water tank, which is gas. That's good. Because if you watched any of my videos, you know, and another pet peeve, or something that's always never caught but has to be done, is replacing the hot water tank if it's over 15 years of age. Insurance companies will not carry it, and it's going to be part of the 4-point inspection. Really cute kitchen. It's been modernized, updated, stainless appliances. Nice backsplash. It does have a little hole in the ceiling right there, but that's all little cosmetic stuff. So this room back here, I can already tell all the flooring is ruined. It's going to have to be replaced. It's going to need paint. It's going to need some ceiling paint. And I'll be curious to see if this is included in the living square footage, what they show in the county records. We'll check that out when I get back. So, I mean, you just got typical stuff in here. I mean, it's all, you know, cosmetic type, fixer-upper, little stuff. One of the good things is the HVAC is newer and the hot water tank's newer, so those are two positives. The roof looks newer. It is a dimensional shingle roof. Okay, it does have a It does have a well and a pump system for irrigation. And I was right, it's all T111 here on the back and sides. I mean, that's common for our area. I mean, you see it a lot. I just don't like it because it will rot really bad. And you can already tell in the back of this house, they've had to fix this before already. As you can see where they put in the drip edge, cut it out, and redid the whole bottom part. It's a nice little backyard. You could fix this up, build a nice deck or patio back here. Okay, so as far as the exterior goes right now, it's going to be a little bit of wood rot touch up, door casings, window casings. It's going to probably need to be painted at some point, but not much else really is on the outside. Okay, so interior paint, interior flooring. It's going to need a refrigerator. A couple of TLC items here in the kitchen. It does have popcorn ceilings. Nasty, dirty old registers. But not bad. I mean, for a fixer-upper, this one, this might be a decent possibility. As always, it depends on how they list it and what they list it for, but yeah, it's out of our control. Yeah, see, here's two more, the original windows. Fort Walton Beach. All right, there's the neighborhood. And here's the outside once again. Like I said, I've never had a foreclosure with solar panels. This is my first one ever. That's going to be interesting to kind of see how that works out. So I'll have to do another video on that. But that's it for this walkthrough. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be glad to answer. And I would, before somebody asks me, it's probably on average from this day right now, since it's vacant, probably looking anywhere from 2 weeks. I would say less than 4 weeks before it's listed. But I have no way to know just how fast they're going to move on it and all that kind of good stuff. All right, appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.